Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. I believe my sound is on properly. And today's plant is the touch-me-not plant. The reason I wanted to do this because sometimes it's what you do and sometimes it's what you're not doing. Nature has, you literally have no control over nature. The plant's going to decide to die or brown out one leaf in particular. It's going to go ahead and do it. There's nothing you can do to stop it, unless you're psychic. And I find it hard to believe that everybody in this day and age as good as you are, and even all the plant freaks. I'm a plant freak, so every once in a while, certain things just go belly up. Just like the other day, I was playing around with this because it's called touch me not. You can touch the leaf. Someone or more dramatic in their touch the leaf response, as you can see. That one over there, I had thought, wow, maybe touch the leaf really got to it. Apparently, it's been dormant for like a week or so now. The leaves are all wreck, and they're all literally all in the same space. So they would in most respects, they get the same amount of water. It's just that each plant has its own little thing going for them. And as you can see, the two large ones are very healthy little puppy, and one even has a little brown leaf. And this one over here, a little curled up, the leaves. Water later on, they all seem to be fairly dried out in the moment, but why are those 5 out of 6 going super healthy, and these 3 other puppies, like the one on the right here, just bellied out completely. The one on the left, sorry about that, that's a little weed in there. Get that little puppy out of the way. That one died, and this other one is in the process of dying. I won't say it's died completely because it's got a little flower seed. So if you can see on the top, this little flower seed, it's going to drop seedlings on the floor over there. And what I like about these little plants is the surprises they bring all the time. You never know what's coming up when you get the weeds out. And you can tell readily when some of them are actually babies of the plants themselves. And you can see. But usually the leaf structure itself on the little seedling when it erupts, as you can see right over on this one over here, as a little seed pod just dropped off. So I should, in the next week or so, see more little shoots coming out of this little puppy. But this is the touch me not plant. And like I say, most of the majority of these plants all come from this tropical garden. And we're just checking everything out, seeing how everything's growing over here. Today I got good news. I found one of the relatives, not relatives, one of our neighbors up north. She's still with us. I'm anxious to try and reach out to her because she used to be our good friend next door. So, hello Carmela, we're going to get to you. We'll see you one day. Right, so here we go again. The mimosa plant. I keep on saying mimosa. I think for some reason it's a mimosa tree. It's called touch me not. It's the most common name, but let me just check it out and I'll get that corrected for you. But it's the touch me not tree. I haven't put any of these in the ground because everything I put something in the ground, it grows huge for some reason. I have this mystique about the plants, and they just go out of their wild to grow huge. So for now, we'll just let Mother Nature stay as is, and we'll continue to update you on this plant. Like I say, please like the video. May do another one if the weather's nice and the AC is not on at the moment, thank God. So like I say, please like the plant, and please subscribe to the channel. And if there's any questions, and hopefully this one, the video is working good. Hopefully the sound is coming through nice, because I learned how to I tape the actual knob on this thing so I don't turn it off and on every once in a while. So that's it. Marty signing off here. Thank you. Stop by. Like I say, please like the video, and any little questions, we're always open here. So thank you. Bye bye. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.